Sup friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit different than the normal vibe. Today we're going to be doing some sewing. I have had a sewing machine for about 1.5 years now, and I'm finally starting to get the gist of it a little bit. Sewing is really hard. For today's, I don't have a pattern, so it may get chaotic, and this is definitely not a tutorial, okay? I found some pretty great fabric. This is her. It looks Christmassy from afar, but it's not Christmassy. It's got little deers and deers and trees and squirrels and stuff, and it's just so beautiful. And it's like a nice cotton, like full fabric that I think would work really nice for one of them nice gathered big skirts. And I want to make it long because that's what we do here. We're long skirt girlies here. Slay! And yeah, I'll put a band on it. And this here's zipper. And we're gonna gather it and everything, so we will see what happens. I was trying to practice my gathering the other night. It was okay. It was sort of okay. To gather this chemise, I actually used an elastic band and literally pulled the elastic band while sewing, and it gathered it. I'm really tempted to do that for this one, but I'm trying not to cheat, and I'm trying to like really learn how to sew. So get it? We're just gonna do that. The basic tutorial that I have looked up is this one. This may change as the process goes along. As you know, if you're a crafter here or a sewer, you know that the process will change as we go. But yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. I've been trying to and make my own clothes because it's fun. And sewing is one of those beasts that I have yet to tame.
Go back to the shadow. You shall not pass!
Anyway, it just really pisses me off because like most other crafting things I'm pretty good at. Like I can pick up pretty easy, but this one, it's been tough. So we're just gonna take you along the journey of trying to figure out how the piss to do this. And yeah, sorry I'm not dressed up. I was gonna wear a cute fantasy outfit, but I'm a little sick and I don't feel like it, and it's a long video to be all cutesied up. I don't know how people always do that. I'm honestly like, we're just gonna keep it authentic here. I'm always in sweats, and that's just the vibes, you know? So anyways, yeah, we're gonna get cracking on some sewing. It's a nice gloomy day, which is perfect. And yeah, we're gonna see how far we can get. My tools are new, and my brain power on this is limited, so we will see what happens here. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
They stole it from us.
Nobody tells you about how much fussing around with the fabric is in sewing, okay? I've just been fussing with fabric for half an hour.
2,000 years later.
So we have the two main pieces. Y'all ain't ready for this ASMR right now. Here you go. You're welcome. got the little waisty measurements. They're way too big and they're not even, but that's how we do things here. So, doing okay. And they're mildly straight, which is actually not normal for me. So, be proud of me. Also, all this extra fabric, really tempted to make like a matching shirt. What do we think? Yeah, so I literally have like 2 yards left over, and it's always funny to me whenever I'm like having someone cut my fabric at like Joann's or something, and they ask what I'm making, and then they like look at how much fabric I've asked for and what I'm making, and they're like, are you making 2? And I'm like, no, it's just in case I and then they look at me like, and I'm like, but this may come in handy. You'll see. We're starting off strong, but something always happens. Now let's do the waistband. The tutorial said to do a whole lot of other junk and I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna make this as easy as possible for myself. I think I'm just gonna wing it and we'll see what happens. Okay, bye. Look, I found my little mushroom hat. I got it for like $9. I feel like this fabric so I sewed one side of this and now we're going to, because I have yet to buy myself an ironing board. So. The audacity. Sir. Okay, so I was gonna do the whole zipper thing, but I'm becoming more and more lazy with this as I go, and zippers scare me. So I think we're just gonna do like a little number because I have way more thick elastic than I thought I did. So I think that's maybe how I'm gonna finish the skirt off. Yeah, I think that might be, hopefully it's stretchy enough that I can still get it in the skirt. This is what I'm talking about. We always go off course and end up with interesting stuff. So we'll give this a go. See how it pans out. Okay, it's kind of ugly, but now it's like an elastic band, and I think I'm gonna attach this to the gathered part, and then I'll just, yeah. Okay, so now we are going to attempt to gather this whole freaking thing. I have practiced gathering once, so if I pull this off, somebody give me an award, okay? We're gonna do 2 straight stitches along the top of this and just pray, pray, pray. See ya. Okay, friends. She is all done. I am really proud of this. It is sloppy, yes. And I did end up putting a zipper on it. And I need to throw like a little button or something to like cinch off the top. But yeah, we ended up going with the elastic waistband, and then the gathering was scary. My string cut like multiple times. We just had to roll with it, okay? The inside is very sloppy. The hem on the bottom is bad. But in an outfit, this is gonna look so stinking cute. So I am gonna like go style it real quick and then just show you guys the final product. So yeah, BRB. Okay friends, thanks for sticking along for the journey. Very excited about this one. We will probably be starting some new projects very soon. If you have any ideas of what I should do with that leftover from this, you let me know, because I'm feeling very crafty lately. Anyways guys, I will catch you on my next video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Okay, see you, bye!